morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Monday. It's a very overcast, actually rainy and cold, damp Monday. Coffee is my friend this morning. Yes. I just poured a cup, waiting for me until I get this little video finished. Okay. Last night, I prepared Thai basil chicken stir fry over linguine style rice noodles. It was very good. I wish I could have had fresh Thai basil. The dry did an okay job. I just put the fresh would have been better. Unfortunately, in December, I can't get it. At least in this area. The only thing I would have done differently is I would have added a little more heat. It called for a certain Asian pepper, which I can't get here. At least I can't find them. That's the only thing I would have done because it needs a little heat. And I was too lazy to grab Shiraka or something. So yeah, other than that, it's a very good recipe. I'll definitely be posting it up. One of the suggestions is actually suggested to serve it over jasmine rice, but I had rice a couple times last week, so I decided to do it over the rice noodles. Switching gears, I'm doing peppercorn crusted steak with cream peppercorn sauce tonight. This is a super simple meal. It's kind of a rich meal because it's got the cream in it. So let's take a look. Got the hardware going. Dutch oven, because I'm just going to be serving this over egg noodles. Good old cast iron skillet, and a small sauce pot for veggies. I'm using backstrap from elk. This is a 1 pound, 2 ounce cut. This is one of the finer cuts of elk. Whole peppercorns. A little bit of olive oil, kosher salt, more black pepper that's ground. I will actually do a coarse grind on some peppercorns, some heavy whipping cream, butter, stock, a little bit of Sierra Nevada porter mustard, and flour for the sauce. I'm going to be using extra wide egg noodles. And I'm going to do a carrot and pea combo thingy. Of course, as you know, I love using frozen vegetables. So yeah, that is a simple dish or meal for tonight. So on this damp and cold Monday here in Sutter County, California, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.